Ever felt like your Grabpay wallet just isn't big enough? You're not alone. We've all been there, trying to top up for a big night out or a weekend getaway, only to hit a wall. So, let's dive deep into the world of Grabpay wallet limits. What are they? How do they work? And most importantly, how can you maximize your spending power? Grabpay is a fantastic digital wallet, simplifying our lives with cashless payments for rides, food, and more. But like any financial tool, it comes with its own set of rules. Understanding these limits is crucial to avoid any frustrating roadblocks. Now, let's talk limits. There are generally two main types. Daily spending limit. This restricts how much you can spend within a single day using your Grabpay wallet. Monthly spending limit. This sets a ceiling on your total expenses for the month. These limits are put in place for your own security, helping to prevent unauthorized transactions and potential fraud. Factors influencing limits. But here's the thing, these limits aren't fixed. They can vary depending on a few key factors. Your Grabpay account level. The longer you've been a Grab user and the more you've used Grabpay, the higher your limits are likely to be. Your verification status. Verifying your identity with Grab often unlocks higher spending limits. Your payment history. Consistent and responsible spending behavior can lead to increased limits over time. Your account activity. Frequent top-ups and regular usage can also influence the system's assessment of your spending needs. Checking your limits. Want to know your current limits? In-app check. Most Grabpay apps have a section where you can easily view your daily and monthly spending limits. Contact Grab support. If you can't find the information in-app, reach out to Grab customer support. They can provide you with the specific details for your account. Tips for maximizing your limits. So, how can you make the most of your Grabpay wallet? Verify your account. This is the single most important step. Verification often unlocks significant increases in your spending limits. Maintain a good payment history, avoid late payments and any suspicious activity. Increase usage gradually, start with smaller transactions and gradually increase your spending as your account history improves. Top up regularly. Consistent top-ups can help the system understand your spending patterns and potentially increase your limits. Contact Grab support. If you believe your limits are unreasonably low or if you have specific needs that require higher limits, contact Grab support. They can review your account and potentially adjust your limits accordingly. Addressing concerns. What if I need to exceed my limit? In some cases, you might be able to request a temporary limit increase for specific circumstances. Contact Grab support to discuss your needs. Understanding your Grabpay wallet limits is key to a smooth and enjoyable user experience. By following these tips and proactively managing your account, you can maximize your spending power and make the most of this convenient digital payment solution. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.